Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two mini drones on the table, the ATTOP mini drone and the DyineeFy mini drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. First up, let's talk about the price. Both the ATTOP mini drone and the DyineeFy mini drone are priced at $49, so there's no difference in terms of affordability here. Now, let's move on to the camera capabilities. The ATTOP mini drone comes with a camera that can capture HD pictures and live videos. You can connect your phone to the drone and enjoy a first-person view experience. It's perfect for capturing those memorable moments. On the other hand, the DyineeFy mini drone doesn't have a camera. So, if you're looking for a drone with camera capabilities, the ATTOP mini drone takes the lead in this category. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones. The ATTOP mini drone features a safe design and a low battery warning system. It uses an upgraded charging cable with overvoltage protection to prevent accidents during charging. Additionally, it has emergency stops and a return home function. The DyineeFy mini drone also has safety features like altitude hold and a one-key return function. Both drones prioritize safety, so it's a tie in this category. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a beginner or buying a drone for your kids. The ATTOP mini drone is designed to be suitable for kids and beginners. It has one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold, making it easy to control and capture photos or videos. The DyineeFy mini drone also prioritizes ease of use with features like headless mode and one-key takeoff landing. It's a tie in this category as both drones are user-friendly. Now, let's talk about the additional features. The ATTOP mini drone offers multiple flight functions, including 360 degrees flips and trajectory flight. It also has 3 control modes: remote, app, and voice control. On the other hand, the DyineeFy mini drone offers features like speed adjustment and a vibrant array of LED lights for a captivating flying experience. Both drones have their unique additional features, so it comes down to personal preference. Portability is another important factor to consider, especially if you want to take your drone on the go. The ATTOP mini drone has a foldable design, allowing it to be easily carried in your pocket. It's perfect for taking it with you to play with family or friends. The DyineeFy mini drone, though not foldable, is still compact and portable. It's a tie in this category as both drones offer convenience in terms of portability. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the ATTOP mini drone and the DyineeFy mini drone. Both drones have their strengths in different categories. If you're looking for a drone with a camera, the ATTOP mini drone is the way to go. On the other hand, if you prioritize a vibrant and captivating flying experience, the DyineeFy mini drone might be the better choice. Ultimately, it comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter buying decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.